Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to show you guys how I did this really cute hairstyle and what products I used. I was so in love with how fluffy and moisturized and soft my hair came out, so stay tuned. Hey y'all, so as you can see, I look a mess and it's time to rejuvenate and bring my curls back to life because I've been wearing my hair in a bun and braided in 2 braids for the past couple of days, so it's time to bring my hair back. And today we're going to use these Fenty hair products that I am so excited to use, y'all. I've been seeing it all over Instagram, online, everywhere. People have been raving about how good her products is, and anyone who knows me knows that I absolutely love Rihanna. So let's hop right into this. So I went ahead and detangled my hair. That's why it's so poofy right now, just to make this wash process a little bit easier for myself. And since my hair has gotten so long, I find it so much easier to just comb my hair out and detangle it before I get in the shower. So once I get in the shower, all I can do is get right to business and start washing. So now I'm just soaking my hair with some lukewarm water. It's actually a little bit warmer than lukewarm. I make sure that my water temperature is not too hot. Keep in mind that you can actually get heat damage from overly hot water. So make sure that that temperature is not too high, you guys. I like to keep it a little bit warmer than lukewarm. So as you can see, I'm just scrubbing my scalp and giving myself a good little scalp massage just to remove all of that extra oil, debris, and dirt that may be built up on my scalp. A clean scalp is key to hair growth, you guys. So you want to make sure that the pores on your scalp are not clogged. So now that my hair is fully saturated, it is time to wash. So now I'm going to go in with the Fenty Hair, the Rich One Moisture Repair Shampoo. And this shampoo is good for repairing split ends and reducing breakage, which I need. And I noticed immediately that this shampoo was very lightweight. But once I put it on my scalp and start scrubbing it in, it foamed up so much and it smelled amazing, you guys. I was so in love with how good this shampoo smells. So as you can see, I'm just moving that shampoo down my scalp. I don't really like to put shampoo all over my hair. I just like to rub it into my scalp, and oh, did it feel so good, you guys. And make sure I work the shampoo down my hair. As you can see, shampoo is naturally a cleansing agent, so it's naturally going to strip your hair from excess oils and dirt. So you don't want to have to rub it in too much. All you're going to do is cause more frizz once the hair dries and cause extra breakage, and you don't want to do that. So just work the shampoo down your hair and let it do its own thing. It's going to cleanse your hair regardless. And I love that this shampoo is sulfate-free. It's a gentle cleanser. It left my hair feeling clean but still moisturized. I don't really like shampoos that make my hair feel totally stripped. Like it just feels like once it dries, it's going to be so brittle. This shampoo had my hair feeling clean and super just lightweight but yet moisturized. So I'm just thoroughly rinsing this shampoo out of my hair. I don't want any excess shampoo left in my hair, so I'm just making sure I get all of that nice and clean. So now that my hair is fully clean, it is time to go ahead and condition. So now I'm going to go in with the Fenty Hair, the Rich One Moisture Repair Conditioner. And this conditioner is loaded with moisture to defrizz, repair, prevent damage, and split ends. And y'all already know I got to use 100 pumps of conditioner. And what I noticed immediately is this conditioner was so thick, but as soon as I put it on my hair, it seemed like it just melted my hair, you guys. My hair has so much slip. My fingers was able to run through my hair with so much ease. And this conditioner smells amazing. Yeah, I had a little breakage. I went ahead and put it on the wall. That's a quick little hack, you guys. If you have any breakage, do not let it go down your drain. You know, just go ahead and put it on the wall and clean it when you get out the shower. So I'm going to go ahead and let this conditioner sit for a few minutes while I do what I need to do in the shower and come right back. So it's been about 3 to 5 minutes. I just let it sit for a little bit, and I'm just going to go ahead and rinse that out. When I rinsed this out, I immediately felt a difference with my hair. It felt so soft, so moisturized, and just so silky. I was in love with it, and this conditioner smells amazing, you guys. It definitely left my hair feeling so good. I can't even explain, you guys. So far, I give these products an A+, but we ain't finished yet. I'm going to go ahead and deep condition my hair now. So I'm going to take this Fenty here, the richer one, Moisture Repair Deep Conditioner. And again, it smells so good. I'm not even joking. Her products are amazing. This conditioner felt super thick also, but like the other conditioner, it had so much slip once it went into my hair. It just melted right into my hair. But this was a little thicker than the actual conditioner because this is a deep conditioner. And my hair definitely needed a good deep conditioning. So as you can see, I'm just making sure I'm evenly distributing this product all throughout my hair. And I'm just putting my hair in 2 twisties. And now I'm going to go ahead and let this sit for a little longer. I had to shave my legs, y'all. You already know that take a minute. This was definitely giving my everything shower. So I'll be right back. So it's been about 10 minutes. I let this sit, not that long. I went ahead and washed, did what I had to do. And now I'm going to go ahead and brush that through. And you could just see how easily this brush is going through my hair. Like, guys, it literally melted my hair. People think that my hair don't tangle up or nothing like that. That's a lie. My hair tangles dramatically. So these products definitely help with that. Although I did detangle before I showered, I still had extra tangles and knots in my hair. So this definitely helped get those out. Hey guys, so I went ahead and got dressed and did my makeup. So now let's hop into getting this hair done. I was trying to think about what style I wanted to do. So I'm going to do my cute little style you guys seen in the beginning, and my hair smelled amazing. But I'm just going to go ahead and section this and spray it with some water because now I'm going to go ahead and apply the Fenty here, the Homecurl Curl Defining Cream. And this cream felt super lightweight, and all of her products felt lightweight, even though the conditioner and deep conditioner was a little thick. Once you apply it to your hair, it just went on so buttery and moisturizing. I was so in love. So I'm just doing my hair section by section. I'm spraying it with a little water before I apply the product because it did dry a little when I was doing my makeup. So once I spray it with the water, I basically repeat the same process all throughout my hair and apply that Homecurl Curl Defining Cream. And this cream smells so good, and I can see my curls starting to pop already, and I love that. I don't like products that weigh my hair down, and this curl defining cream definitely was super lightweight, yet getting the job done. So now I'm going to take the jelly type stronghold gel. And guys, I am so in love with the names of these products. Like the Homecurl, the jelly type. Come on now. Like, I am so in love with it. Like, I just love Rihanna so much. Mind you, that's my birthday twin. Shout out to us, February 20th. That is my girl. So I'm just applying this gel all throughout my hair. And what's so funny, guys, I typically do not use hair gels in my hair. I actually hate gels, but this gel was not like any other gel. It was super lightweight and it smelled amazing. So let's hop into styling this hair. So I'm going to do my headband hairstyle with 2 curls in the front. So as you can see, I just sectioned my hair off into 2 little sections, a part on each side. A key tip if you want to do this style, I part right in front of my ear just to give it an even part, although my part was a little janky on this side, but it don't matter because you're not going to see all that. So I'm going to take the rest of my hair and put that up into a ponytail, and then take these 2 sections, and in each section I'm going to take a little piece of hair. You could take a thicker piece if you want to, but I'm just going to do 2 little pieces. So I'm going to do 1 piece on that side and 1 piece on the other side, right in the top corner of that little section that I just parted. So now that I have those 2 small pieces separated, I'm just going to push those 2 pieces back and wrap that around my ponytail and go back in with the jelly type stronghold gel and just apply that onto those 2 sections. Now I'm just taking a small tooth comb, like a rat tail comb, and I'm just going to smooth down those 2 pieces as best as possible. I also went ahead and took my edge control brush and used the comb side just to get those 2 pieces super smooth and laid down, because this is going to act as the quote-unquote headband. So once I have those 2 pieces nice and smooth and laid down, I'm going to take a rubber band and go ahead and put that in a ponytail in the back of my hair. So now I'm going to go ahead and take the Fenty Hair, the Controlling Type Hair Thickening Edge Control Gel. And guys, what I first noticed immediately when I opened this edge control was how good it smelled. When I tell you it smelled amazing, actually all of these products smell amazing, but this edge control gel, oh my God, it smells so good. As soon as I put it on, I noticed immediately that it has so much shine. It wasn't flaky, guys, and my edges were literally locked in all day. I'm not even joking. Like, this edge control definitely was like a stronger hold edge control, and I love that because usually, especially during the summer, my edges curl right up. So now I'm going to take those two pieces out and take a little bit more of the jelly type strong hold gel and go ahead and define these two curls in the front. Another cute little hairstyle would be a cute braid. So if you want it, you could actually take these two pieces and do two little braids. I've done that before and that's super cute as well. But today I just wanted to do the two curls in the front. So now I'm going to take the rest of my hair in the back and start to define my curls. As you can see, I'm just taking each little piece and wrapping it around my fingers. If you guys seen any of my previous videos, you guys already know I love me a good finger curl. And these are like the quick little finger curls. I only focused on the ends of my hair to define my curls. I did not do the whole strand of hair. So as you can see, the ends are mostly defined with my finger. And guys, I just love how moisturized yet lightweight my hair felt. It felt super clean and lightweight, but moisturized. Like, I already knew once my hair dried, it was going to dry so fluffy and big and beautifully. These products did not weigh my hair down at all, and I absolutely love that. So as you can see, my curls were coming out so cute. I already did majority of my hair. I'm working in sections, you already know. And this is my last curl, y'all. And when I tell y'all this hairstyle came out so cute, my curls were so popping. I was so in love with how moisturized and silky and shiny my hair was looking. Mind you, I didn't even put an oil in my hair yet, but you know I'm going to use oil. I'm just going to go in with the oil once my hair dries. So I'm going to go ahead and let my hair dry, and I will be back once it is finished. So it's been about 5 hours and my hair is fully dry. So now I'm going to take my PUREMAJIK Natural Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil Blend and rub that all throughout my hair and break my curls apart. This oil is very moisturizing yet lightweight, and it smells amazing. It always leaves so much shine to my hair. So I like to take this oil and break those curls apart. Because I did the finger coils, my curls do tend to clump together once it's fully dry. I do wish that Fenty Hair had a hair oil. I did not see one on the website, but I just have a feeling when she drops her hair oil, it's going to be so bomb. So in the meantime, of course, I'm going to use my PUREMAJIK Naturals oil, which is made with 7 pure natural oils such as sweet almond oil, avocado oil, argan oil, nettle oil, peppermint oil, rosemary, all of that good stuff that's going to enhance your hair growth. But guys, I am so in love with these Fenty hair products. My hair came out so cute. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and stay tuned for my next upload. Mwah.